Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, all three of the phones in the Samsung Galaxy S23 series will come with a minimum of 256GB storage, according to a new leak. The lineup, which features the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra, is expected to be launched in February. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will apparently feature a 1TB variant. Sometimes it is the small changes between smartphone generations that please fans the most, and it is likely this new leak from Ahmed Quader will make many future Samsung Galaxy S23 owners happy. It seems the South Korean manufacturer has decided to boost the minimum amount of storage available in its flagship smartphones from the 128GB option of the Galaxy S22 series to a 256GB option for the Galaxy S23 series. Quader breaks down the storage options for each device in the Galaxy S23 range, and the standard Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus are mentioned with only one variant each at the moment, 8GB plus 256GB. It seems there will be three choices for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, with 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB being the options for the premium device in the lineup. However, the leaker only mentions 12GB of RAM for the S23 Ultra when there have already been multiple reports of an 8GB variant. It's possible Quader is simply breaking down the currently confirmed storage choices for the Galaxy S23 series rather than listing every single variant that Samsung will produce. Offering a 2023 flagship smartphone with just 128GB storage would not have been a smart business move by Samsung, so the boost to a minimum of 256GB storage is just one of likely many small but important changes that will be coming to the Galaxy S23 smartphones. The problems don't stop there, as some S22 Ultra owners believe that the curved design distorts light around the display and leads to a glare problem, and lastly, curved panels break more easily than flat screens. To address these problems, Samsung may adopt flatter aesthetics for the S23 Ultra. The S22 Ultra already has a boxy design, and its successor is going to have an even more squared-off look. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video, one peace out.